In this video, I will show you how to connect your hosting or domain to your Odoo website. So it can also be your Odoo online store or blog. What you want to do is just go to your Odoo website and go to configuration in the top. From there, click on domain name. And from there, if you haven't yet published, you can just click my website is ready, or you can get it later. I'll say my website is ready because then you can actually connect your domain name. From here, click on use my own domain, and here simply type in www. and then the domain name that you have on Hostinger. So just open up Hostinger if you're not sure, go to domains here, then under your domain portfolio you will find it. So for me it's danimakestutorials.store. So now here I can just type that in. Now if you want, you can also do a subdomain, for example shop.yourdomain or blog.yourdomain. To do that, instead of www, just type in whatever else you want it to be. Now from there you will need to create a CNAME record. So I'll show you how to do this. So create a CNAME record, www.yourdomain.com, pointing to this. So first you just want to go and copy this. So this is your Odoo link or your Odoo domain. Now on Hostinger, go to DNS and name servers. Then here under DNS records, just delete any of the records you currently have that you don't need. And then from there you need to add a CNAME. So for the type here, go to CNAME. And then for the name, just type in www.yourdomain. So for me, danimakestutorials.store. For the target, point it to danimakestutorials.odoo.com or whatever it is for you. And then click add record. From there, after you've added the CNAME record, go back to Odoo and click on verify. So then it should say DNS configuration seems good. From there, click I confirm it is done. Now congratulations, your domain is being set up. The domain setup will take a few minutes. Now they say it takes a few minutes, but it can actually take up to 48 hours for the full propagation to take place of your DNS records. But once that's done, your domain will be connected. If you then go to your website here and click domain names, you will then see the domain name that you just connected. Now from there, if you now open this domain, currently it will say the site doesn't support a secure connection because Odoo still needs to get the SSL certificate, which is the security certificate. But if you just go to dnschecker.org, now you will see that if I now open this domain right here, so www.the domain that I added, they will now all point to my odoo.com domain, which means you did it correctly. So that's how you can connect your Hostinger domain to Odoo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.